Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope all of you are staying safe and doing your work which your teachers are sending you online and teaching online. Theodore Roosevelt once said, "To educate a man in mind and not in morals is to educate a menace to society." Moral education influences the social thinking of the individual and makes them distinguish between what is right and what is wrong. क्या ठीक है, क्या गलत है, समाज के लिए, हमारे लिए वो मॉरल एजुकेशन वो हमें जज करना सिखाती है. It becomes even more important in current times when we are witnessing a rapid degeneration of moral values. हर चीज को सिर्फ इसलिए एक्सेप्ट करना कि वो हमारे लिए कंफर्टेबल है, वो हमारे लिए ठीक है, जरूरी नहीं कि वो सोसाइटी के लिए, समाज के लिए भी ठीक हो. The word moral comes from Latin word morus, which means the code or the customs of people. Moral education teaches tolerance, mutual respect, accepting diversity and pluralistic values, honesty, responsibility, being just and generous, to show consideration and sensitivity to others, to society, and not just because that we'll be getting something in return, but also because that is right. It is doing right thing even when nobody is watching us or nobody is there to judge us. Still doing the right thing, having an integrity which others can vouch for. This is what moral education teaches us. Young people are like sponges, and they readily and unconsciously assimilate all types of influences. Whatever is around in the society, good, bad, these young minds, they'll absorb everything. So it is very important to provide them a filter of moral education that will help them make the right choices and decisions in their adulthood. जो कुछ हम अपने चारों तरफ देख रहे हैं, जो हमारे सामने आ रहा है, उसको हम मॉरल एजुकेशन के फिल्टर से फिल्टर आउट करके ये जज कर सकते हैं कि क्या ठीक है और क्या गलत. सो कीपिंग ऑल दीज थिंग्स इन माइंड, वी आर कंटिन्यूइंग with our moral education classes online too, and we'll be sharing videos, stories, texts and interviews to help our children be morally upright citizens of this new world. And for that, it'll be very important that teachers as well as parents, they also play a very positive role, because more than half of the times it is not what we teach our children they learn that, but what they see us doing. They learn that even earlier, faster, and it is imbibed on their minds more firmly. So let's all be morally upright, let our actions be just, so that we can be a role model for our children. Thank you.